Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Travel Luxury with Ruchika. So today I am in Gurugram. Which resort in Gurugram? It is Westin Sona Resort and Spa, which is a hotspot for everybody living around. So this is a very favorite place for all the people who are having the weekdays rush. On weekends they come and enjoy their stay here. So there are many reasons people come here, kids come here to enjoy. There are many reasons for them to enjoy. There are many activities. There is a specialized zoo for the kids to see. Every now and then they can see the peacocks roaming here freely without any fear. And definitely this pool is the attraction. This is a public pool where people love to spend time with the family and the kids. There is a kids pool as well just behind this. So this is one of the place which I also love the most and very easy to reach. Just in 1 hour you can reach if you are coming from Gurugram. So it is not very far away, and especially businessmen, doctors, advocates, all the professionals who don't get time on the weekdays, they come here on weekends. So let's see. So today I'll give you the showdown of the restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Red Brick Restaurant. So first of all, I am going there. So this is the Red Brick Restaurant where buffet is served for the morning breakfast, lunch and dinner. And the food is ultimate. Yes, definitely. Food is so tasty that it would become difficult for you to decide which one you want to try first and which one next. So this is the sitting arrangement for the people who don't want to enjoy the air conditioning inside, because inside the area is fully air conditioned. So I'll just give you the glimpse how it is from inside. So you can see the tables are beautifully laid. It is going to be lunchtime. Yes, definitely. So the restaurant is waiting for the guest to come for the lunch. A variety of food laid already. Everywhere you can see very tempting items are already laid. So there is the bar counter as well for the cocktails. From here we get out of the restaurant, and this pathway will take you to the resort, to your villa or room, wherever you are staying. So altogether, if I tell you, there are 97 rooms in this property and 15 two-bedroom villas. And this property is spread in 45 acres, so it is a huge one. It has a variety of activities for all the age group people, and a must come one. Now I am taking you towards the bar. So this is the bar, the place where people love to come in the evening and spend here good 2 to 3 hours, enjoying the drinks of their choice, spending the quality time with the family and sometimes friend as well. So let's see how it looks from inside. So just look at the ambience, how beautiful it is. Not only beautiful, it is very comfortable and attractive as well. Just look at the comfy sofa sets which are ready to welcome you, and the variety of the drinks available here. Yes, you must be finding. Yes, definitely you must be looking for the choice of yours. But this is not the right time for that. You have to come and sit here and then you will be able to enjoy. So with this, I'll take you to the other attraction. This is the attraction which I was talking about. This is a Chinese, rather I would say Indo-Chinese restaurant. The name of the restaurant is Tangra. And if I tell you a little bit history of Tangra, actually there's a Chinatown in Kolkata where the Chinese came to India in 18th century and they stayed there. And then they started preparing their own local dishes which everybody liked. And people started appreciating it so much that today people go there to enjoy their breakfast, lunch and dinner. And such kind of food you will not find in Delhi or Mumbai or Chennai, only in Kolkata. So from Kolkata, directly you can have the same taste here in Tangra. So this is the speciality of this restaurant. So this is the restaurant, this is the entrance here. And with this, we are back to the pool. So this property has something or the other for everybody. Whether you are a kid or a adult or an old person, you will love spending few nights here. So this gives you a private time to spend with the family. And this is the reason for me also to come here. Because the life has many things, but we need to look at it and find out the ones which we like. So this definitely everybody likes. Coming, staying here for 2 nights, 3 nights, and enjoying the solitary, the peace of mind, spending few minutes with the nature and the birds. Yes, the property has a lot of birds. It is a pet-friendly property. So you can get your pets as well. So the entire family can be here. So this is a wonderful place to be. So make your plans. If you need any help, please write in the description. I will definitely respond to it and help you in whichever possible way. Thank you. Bye-bye.